Luminaires installed over bathtubs or within shower stalls must adhere to specific safety standards. Firstly, the luminaires must be of the enclosed and gasketed type. This design prevents moisture from entering the fixture and causing electrical hazards. Secondly, these luminaires need to be specifically listed for the type of installation, meaning they have been tested and approved for use in wet or damp locations. This listing ensures that the fixture can withstand the environmental conditions present in the shower or bathtub area. Thirdly, ground full circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is essential. A GFCI is a device that monitors the electrical current in a circuit. If it detects an imbalance, which could indicate a ground fault where electricity is leaking out of the intended circuit, it quickly shuts off the power. This rapid interruption minimizes the risk of electric shock to individuals in the shower or bathtub. It's important to note that using a standard circuit breaker does not provide the same level of protection as a GFCI. A standard breaker protects against overloads and short circuits, but it may not react quickly enough to prevent injury in the event of a ground fault. GFCI protection is typically achieved by installing a GFCI circuit breaker in the electrical panel or a GFCI receptacle outlet in the circuit serving the luminaire. Testing the GFCI regularly is important to verify its proper function. The test button on the GFCI device should be pressed monthly. If the GFCI does not trip, it should be replaced immediately. In addition to luminaire requirements, the placement of switches for shower luminaires and exhaust fans is crucial for safety. All switches controlling these devices must be located outside the tub or shower space. This prevents individuals from reaching for a switch while wet, reducing the risk of electric shock. The reasoning is straightforward: water conducts electricity, and a wet person is more susceptible to electrical hazard. By locating the switch outside the shower or tub area, the user can dry their hands before operating the switch, significantly reducing the risk of electrical shock. The specific distance from the tub or shower space where switches are permitted may be defined in local electrical codes. It is essential to consult these codes during installation. When selecting luminaires for these locations, pay close attention to the product's labeling and specifications. Look for markings that indicate the fixture is suitable for wet or damp locations and that it is enclosed and gasketed. Furthermore, ensure that the luminaire is compatible with GFCI protection. When installing or replacing luminaires or switches in a bathroom, it's always recommended to consult a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and a professional electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation is done safely and in accordance with all applicable codes. Failing to follow these requirements can create a dangerous situation. For example, using a non-enclosed luminaire in a shower could allow moisture to enter the fixture, potentially causing a short circuit or electric shock. Similarly, locating a switch within reach of the tub or shower could expose individuals to the risk of electrocution. By adhering to the outlined requirements, you are creating a safer environment for yourself and others. It's important to remember that electrical safety is not just about following the rules, it's about understanding the risks and taking steps to minimize them. It's also important to ensure that all electrical work is inspected by a qualified electrical inspector to verify compliance with local codes. The electrical inspector will review the installation to ensure that it meets all safety requirements and that it has been done in a workmanlike manner. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including those in bathrooms. The NEC is updated regularly to reflect new technologies and best practices. Local electrical codes are based on the NEC but may also include additional requirements specific to the local jurisdiction. It is crucial to be familiar with both the NEC and local electrical codes when performing electrical work. Staying informed about the latest electrical safety standards is an ongoing process. New technologies and materials are constantly being developed, and it's important to keep up with the latest advancements in electrical safety.